Today I'm here with Weijun Lee of ZTE. Mr. Lee, from ZTE's worldwide experience in IPTV deployments, what can North American telcos learn from the overseas IPTV operators?
As you know, ZTE is one of the early pioneers in terms of IPTV back in 2005. So far, we have about 1,500 engineers for the R&D. We have deployed IPTV system to over 40 networks, serving about 9.4 million active users. So we are among the top one or top two middleware and set-top box vendors. So from our experience, worldwide experience, the North American telecom IPTV operators can learn from the overseas counterpart in at least two areas. The first is there are lots of TV-based interactive applications that can be offered to support a very flexible business model. One very cool example is called gifting. For example, you can buy a voice VOD movie and you watch it, you like it, then you say, oh, let me buy it again as a gift for my friends. So that way, all your friends enjoy it, and as operator, you are actually gaining more revenue for that. That's very, very useful. Also like voting, interactive voting on American Idol, Dancing with Stars, those are very popular as well. So the second point will be cloud-based DVR. That's like TV on demand or catch-up TV, as we call it. So one study by China Telecom found out that 58% of people switched from cable TV to IPTV because of this feature. Because the users, they love the convenience of able to browse and watch all the content in all the channels within the last 1 week without actually scheduled recording, and they really love this feature.
In the area of IPTV solutions, how is ZTE different from your competitors?
There are at least three things we are very committed to help our customers in a very competitive way. The first point is our commitment, our customization, our time to market. So we sit together with our customer to jointly understand their business flows, design a very appealing end-user experience. That includes the program guide, the VOD posters, the recommendation engine to their like. You know, they really enjoy that. That's more or less like you get a custom-built home, dream home, designed by a very reputable builder, and fitted to all your personal needs, and delivered to you within a few months and at a very affordable cost. So the second point is technology innovation. One example is we have a patented technology that's called low bandwidth, high definition video transcoding. So that's able to deliver the HD content with 3 megabits per second instead of the traditional 8 megabits per second. So that essentially allows the rural telecom operators to offer HD service to all their serving areas. So the third, which is last but not least, it's, ZTE is actually, we are very committed to the cybersecurity of our service providers. We support it's called a trust delivery model, where we open our software, hardware, equipment system to an independent third-party assessment laboratory that can be overseen by the government.
What are the emerging trends and threats to IPTV operators, and how does ZTE plan to help the operators with these issues?
First, for the emerging competitive threats from the internet players, like YouTube, Hulu, etc. At ZTE, we help the service providers to embrace, to leverage, to improve these technologies instead of fighting against them. One example is for the over-the-top contents, right? We help the operators to cache the content and then distribute that to the end users through their own managed CDN, content delivery network. So with better quality of user experience. So that way, it not only saves the bandwidth across the core network, because you don't have to duplicate all the requests, it also improves the user experience. So pretty much we leverage the new technology to help the operators. So that's one key point. The second point is convergence. the true convergence, where the convergence between the TV world, the telecommunications world, and the IT world. So at ZTE, we are actively participating and leading in those global and regional standard bodies, including like ITUT, TISPAN, ATIS, etc. And this shows our strategic commitment to help our customer base of telecom carriers and cable service providers.
Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for live reading for the opportunities.